I just saved up a lot of memory space. So as you can see here, I got some more pieces organized. So yeah, I left my phone paused for too long and it shut off, so Motorola, you need to make an update to your new phone. So yeah. It says we need this piece and what looks to be a black piece. So we're going to take a black piece. Yeah, because there's no gray pieces like that. So I'm supposed to put it on like that. So actually, I'm going to speed build this. So yeah, you guys are going to get to see this. And if you don't want to see me speed build this, well, too bad. Alright, just checking on my radio, because I'm thinking it's going to go off, so. Oops, what did I just do? Alright, guys, hold on. I don't have the best stuff, but, you know, who gives a crap? Alright. Okay. I don't know how to do this. I don't even know how far you guys can see. But I need to find a way to hold it up. I'll lay this camera up against. I shouldn't have to do this. But alright, hold on, guys. Oh crap. Hold on a second, guys. I needed to get an extra piece out of here. You can probably see me looking down. I don't know how this is working out for you guys, but it's not working out so great. I'm sorry.
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kerr County, northeastern Bandera County until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Medina, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Medina, Kerrville, Bandera, Cypress Creek, Kerrville State Park, Center Point, and Camp Verde. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Medina County until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dunlay, or 7 miles southeast of Hondo, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Byrie, Pearson, and Noonan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The current time is 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Okay, back to the time lapse. Alright.